all I can say is the car is sitting there looking presidential. Today's topic is about a visual inspection of the Crown Vic. Now this can be used, if you're going on a long drive, you just haven't looked at the car in a while, or if you plan on buying one, we're talking about a visual inspection. So I'm not gonna do a full in depth, but we're gonna start with a few things like coolant. As you see, this coolant in this car is about halfway, so it may need a little touching up. Gotta check my oil today, but visual inspection of the belt, make sure that's not cracked. Hoses look pretty good. I'm gonna check the oil. And if you haven't seen the video where I pressure wash the engine, well, not pressure wash, but I did spray the engine off, go check that video out. I'll try to leave a link in the description below, because one thing about it, if you keep the engine clean, you can see if you have any leaks or anything. Also, now we're at the tires. As you see, this tire here, this is a Firestone. It is low. I did put some air in it about a month ago, so obviously there's a slow leak somewhere. I didn't see any nails or anything, but so I got to put some air in that tire. That's good things to know when you're going to be on the road. This here is the spare tire, the Goodyear. I did a video on it. Still holding up pretty well. I actually like the Goodyear tires over the Firestone. It's just, it looks better, more aggressive look, and it just, to me, it's a better quality tire. That's my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. The back bumper. Make sure you guys keep an eye on the back bumpers. There is like a piece in the middle that keeps it looking, even and square, not hanging down low. Keeps the car looking nice. Make sure you guys check that out. Interior wise, make sure everything is attached. Nothing's hanging off, looking raggedy looking. Everything works on the inside. AC, heat. Just look over everything. Nothing too serious. Go ahead, start it up, listen to, and see if you hear any unusual noises. On this vehicle here, I did hear a slight belt squeak, which I think that's common. That happened on the last Crown Vic I had. Other than that, everything sounds pretty good. All the gauges are checking out. Of course, it needs to warm up. All right, so turned on the headlights, tail lights, just flip the switch all the way to the right, turn on your blinkers. You want to step out, check the lights out, make sure that they're all working. As you see right here, headlights shining, the flashers on the sides, well, the bulbs on the side are working. And then you see we still got the police bulb in there. No need to check that out. And then we got the turn signals, they're good to go. Then we're gonna go ahead and walk around to the back of the car. Make sure the tail lights and everything is functioning properly, and go from there. The car actually looks pretty good with the lights on. I post that picture on Instagram, so make sure you guys follow the channel on Instagram. I have a link in the description below. Now this light here, I really couldn't see it too much, but it is working. I see a little flash in there. Open sesame. Also, I will be doing some drone footage of the Crown Vic. I'm gonna try to get that this week. Learning how to fly the drone. I'm actually gonna start another channel with the drone and just background stuff that I do for the Crown Vic. So if you want to check that out, just check the link in the description below and go ahead and subscribe to that channel. And I will be doing giving away 10 Street Cruising 101 shirts for anybody who go over and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do a drawing and I'll put the drawing on both channels. All you gotta do is go over, hit subscribe, and comment subscribe on one of the videos on the other channel, and you will be entered into the drawing. We'll do a live drawing, and I'm gonna keep track of everybody who goes over and subscribe to that channel. Thank you guys for doing that. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below if y'all do a visual inspection of the Crown Vic before you drive it. You know, here and there, not every day. You know, maybe once a month, maybe once every other month. You know, if not, and that's cool too. Me, I like to at least do it once a month. I like to drive. You know, I drive a lot. But right now we have 101. We got the car at 97,000 miles. I only had a couple months so far, or a few months, and you know, putting the miles on it. Made to drive. Check out the Honda Accord to the right. So he's faster than the Crown Vics. In his dreams. So got your boy got the hood scooping all. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, leave a comment down in the comment section below. But other than that, I will catch you on the next Crown Vic video.